Hello and welcome to All Tastes German. Today I will show you another Spaetzle recipe. This recipe's batter is made without water or milk. Try this recipe if you like a firmer, chewy noodle. This recipe is perfect for cheese Spaetzle or fried Spaetzle recipes. Okay, let's get started. Add flour, salt and nutmeg to a large bowl and blend well. Add the eggs and beat the batter with a wooden spoon until it is smooth and shiny. As the batter is quite stiff, you will need some muscle power to stir it well. To make this easier, hold the bowl to your tummy. This stabilizes the bowl and you can stir more vigorously. Traditionally, the Spaetzle dough is mixed by hand, but you can use a stand mixer or hand mixer too. You will need to beat the batter until it's smooth and shiny and begins to show bubbles, and then let it rest for about 10 to 15 minutes. In the meantime, heat about a gallon of water in a large pot. After the resting time, stir the batter one more time. Add about 1.5 tablespoons salt to the boiling water, and now you can start to make your Spaetzle. Add about 1/3 of the batter to the Spaetzle maker at a time. If you don't have a Spaetzle press or maker, you can use some other kitchen tools you probably already have at home. Below the video, you will find some links to videos where I explain different ways and tools you can use to form the Spaetzle. Wait until the Spaetzle float on the top. Then let them cook for an additional 2 or 3 minutes. Now you can scoop them out with a mesh skimmer or a slotted spoon, either into a strainer or a pan with melted butter. And that's how easy you can make homemade delicious noodles. Guten Appetit!